Say, what's up, everybody?
What's up, everybody?
Welcome to another video.
Another video?
If you haven't already, go down and hit that subscribe button. And that notification bell, guys. What's up, everyone? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be discussing the real truth about Honda Groms. If you haven't already, go down and hit that like button and that subscribe button. So, anyway, the truth about Honda Groms. The Honda Grom is not, I wouldn't consider a Honda Grom a beginner's bike. There's a lot of people that buy these things and they're very upset because the speed on them and because that they're only a they're only a 125cc bike. They're not going to go real fast. You know, I've done a video on my top speed a couple weeks ago that was 64 going down the hill. After changing the sprocket, I think I might be able to do maybe 61 going downhill. But you know, there's people out there that buy these Honda Groms as their first bike and they're like, you know, it's not what they expected. And I'm here to tell you that if I didn't have a bigger bike, I wouldn't have bought the Honda Grom. See, I have a 2015 GSXR, the Jigsta, and that's my bike I ride when I'm ready to go fast or when I want to rip it. You know, I bought this thing because I already had a fast bike and a big bike, so I bought this thing just to tinker around with and learn how to do wheelies with and maybe one day stunt. So that's the reason I bought it. I had a purpose for this bike when I bought it. You know, most people who go out and buy this Honda Grom as their first bike, you know, that's their purpose is for it to ride it every day. You know, and if you live anywhere like I do, like the road I'm on right now, the speed limit, I want to say is 50. It might be 55, but if you look right now, it says I'm doing 52. My speedometer is off 3 miles an hour now since I've done the front sprocket upgrade. So I'm barely doing, you know, 55. See, I'm going 60. It says I'm doing 64, but that's really like 60. But I'm carrying my RPMs out. So if you're out, you're looking to buy in the market to buy a Honda Grom, make sure you're going to buy it for the right reasons. Like I said, everybody, I bought this Honda Grom right here because I already had a bigger bike. I bought this bike to play with and to learn how to do wheelies on. That's one of the reasons why I changed the 15-tooth sprocket to the 14-tooth sprocket. And that's another reason why I have a engine cage and a 12 o'clock bar on its way to my house currently. It should be there, you know, by the next video it should be on there. So that is why I bought it. So if you're wanting to buy a Honda Grom to go out and you think you're going to rip it and race, I raced my buddy that has the Rebel 500 for like 1/8 of a mile, and I stuck with him until I got out of first gear. Once I hit second gear, he done was gone. He beat me by like 2 buses. On the third beep. The third beep. All right, ready? But you know, they're fun for like riding roads like this if you ain't got no cars behind you, because you're wide open throttle everywhere. You don't have to worry about, you know, taking it easy on the bike because it's got too much power. You're using 100% of its power. Everybody's got their own reasons on why they buy a bike. And my personal opinion would be, if you don't have a bike, don't make this your only bike. There's plenty other bikes that are good out there that would be good for a first bike. Some of my recommendations would be like the FZ07 if you're going for an older bike. The newer version's an MT07. I'm trying to make it a point, if you do not have a bike, do not make the Honda Grom your only bike. Get you a little bit bigger of a bike. I would go with like the Ninja 300. I think they got a 400 now. or the R3, they're a parallel twin. They're a twin engine, or twin cylinder engine instead of a single cylinder. The CBR 300 is a single cylinder engine. It puts out probably the same amount of torque, but the other 300s, they have more horsepower and more top end speed. So I guess it really depends on what you're looking for to get. That's all I got right now, guys. Remember, if y'all like this video, you found it informational, go down and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Ride safe and stay safe.